Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Satisfyer Pro for couples. So let's get started. So this is the Satisfyer Pro for couples itself. As you can see, it's got a very luxurious look. And this unique air pressure vibrator is especially designed for couples. This vibrator is worn by her, and the vibrations and air pressure stimulation will offer both partners an optimal stimulation. Now there are 2 motors that can be controlled separately, and there are 10 vibration settings, that's 3 speeds and 7 patterns in total, and there are 11 air pressure speeds to choose from. The whole toy is waterproof and made of a body-safe silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel comfortable during use. The vibrating part just here is also slightly flexible. So to turn on the toy, press and hold on the top button just here, and the air pressure is on. To increase, use the plus button, and to decrease, click on the minus. To activate the vibrations, press and hold on the vibration button at the bottom there, and now they are both on. To change the vibration, simply tap and choose your desired setting. To turn off the vibration, press and hold down, and you're left with just the air pressure. To turn off, press and hold down, and it's off. To charge, it's really simple and easy to do. Using the magnetic USB charging cable provided, simply attach the 2 like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using the Pro for couples, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean the toy after every use using toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the Satisfyer Pro for couples. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.